Okay, today we are looking at using past and present tense to write sentences that describe our town then and now. So here are the two main phrases we will use. The first one is avant, il y avait. Avant, il y avait. And that means before there was, or that sounds a bit clunky in English, we'd say there used to be. So that's the past tense. Avant, il y avait. Avant, il y avait. And then for the present tense today, to say today there is or now there is, we say aujourd'hui, il y a. So aujourd'hui means today, and il y a, we've learnt before, means there is. So aujourd'hui, il y a. Aujourd'hui, il y a. So we've got avant, il y avait, and aujourd'hui, il y a. So you can put those two phrases together in a sentence. We can say avant, il y avait, aujourd'hui, il y a, to say before there was, now there is. So this sentence, avant, il y avait une poissonnerie, aujourd'hui, il y a un supermarché. So one more time, avant, il y avait une poissonnerie, aujourd'hui, il y a un supermarché. And that means there used to be a fishmonger's, today there is a supermarket. So a few more examples. Avant, il y avait une église. Aujourd'hui, il y a une école. There used to be a church. Today, there is a school. Avant, il y avait une pâtisserie. Aujourd'hui, il y a un hôpital. So that's there used to be a cake shop. Today, there is a hospital.